Beneath our feet, in the silent, patient darkness, a clock is ticking. For 17 long years, a hidden civilization waits. An entire generation lives as prisoners of the soil, drawing sustenance from the roots of trees, biding their time. They are a promise, an ancient secret kept by the earth itself. Then, when the precise moment arrives, a mysterious signal is given, and the ground begins to boil with life. This is the story of the periodical cicada, and its brief, glorious and deafening escape into the sun. It begins with a change in the temperature of the soil. An ancient trigger is pulled, and 17 years of quiet growth culminates in a single, synchronized purpose. The nymphs, pale and armored in their subterranean shells, begin to tunnel upwards. First one, then 1,000, then 1,000,000. The forest floor comes alive, a moving carpet of countless bodies, all driven by the same irresistible urge. They climb the nearest vertical surface, a tree trunk, a blade of grass, a forgotten fence post. They anchor themselves, and then a final, magical transformation begins. Their shells split down the back, and a new creature struggles free. Pale and soft, with crumpled wings, it is at its most vulnerable. But over the next few hours, its body hardens, its wings unfurl, and the 17-year prisoner becomes a winged adult, ready for its new life. This great emergence is an incredible spectacle, but it is also a dinner bell for every predator in the ecosystem. Birds, squirrels, raccoons, turtles and fish, everyone comes to the feast. The newly emerged cicadas are clumsy, slow, and easy targets. For a few weeks, the forest is a scene of gluttony. It seems like a massacre, a fatal flaw in the cicadas' plan. But it is not a flaw. It is the very heart of their strategy. This is predator satiation, a defense built on sheer, unimaginable numbers. There are so many cicadas, billions, sometimes trillions in a single brood, that they completely overwhelm the appetites of their enemies. The predators can eat until they are physically unable to eat another bite, and yet it barely makes a dent in the cicada population. Their survival is guaranteed not by fighting, hiding, or fleeing, but by sacrificing a portion of their population to the endless hunger of the forest. The genius of this strategy is rooted in a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Why 17 years? Why not 15 or 18? The answer is a stroke of evolutionary brilliance. The cicada's life cycle is based on a prime number. 17 is a number divisible only by 1 and itself. Most predator populations fluctuate on shorter, more regular cycles. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. By emerging on a 17-year cycle, the cicadas make it mathematically impossible for their predators' population booms to consistently sync up with their own appearance. It is a biological algorithm, a prime number defense that keeps their enemies perpetually out of sync, ensuring that when they do emerge, the predator populations are never ready for the sheer scale of their numbers. With survival all but guaranteed by their mathematics and their multitude, the cicadas can focus on their one frantic purpose above ground, to create the next generation. And this begins with a sound that will, for a few short weeks, dominate the entire soundscape. The males, equipped with vibrating membranes on their abdomens called tymbals, begin to sing. It is a deafening, alien chorus that can reach over 100 decibels, one of the loudest sounds in the insect world. This is not a gentle song. It is a desperate, high-stakes race against a rapidly ticking clock. They have only a few weeks to live. In this wall of sound, they must attract a mate, and the females must lay their eggs in the high branches of the trees. Their mission complete, Their energy spent, they will fall from the trees, and the forest will fall silent once more. Their bodies will return to the soil, leaving behind the next generation of nymphs, who will burrow deep into the earth to begin their own 17 years of silent waiting. To continue exploring the marvels of the natural world, subscribe to Animal Insight 360 and join us on the next